Welcome fellow astronauts to a travel video unlike anything you have ever seen. No airports, no hotels, and no crowds. Today we are packing our bags for the moon. Not the science fiction version, not the distant dream, but the real moon that is orbiting Earth right now. If humanity could travel freely across its surface, these would be the top 10 must-visit destinations. Think of this as the ultimate lunar bucket list. Let's lift off. Number 10. The far side of the moon, often called the dark side. This region is not actually dark, but it never faces Earth. Standing area Earth is completely out of sight. No satellites overhead, no noise, no signals leaking in from our planet. It is the quietest place in the inner solar system. Scientists want to build radio telescopes here to listen to the universe without interference. For travelers, it would be the ultimate digital detox, a place of absolute silence and cosmic perspective. Number 9. Mare Orientale. Located on the edge of the moon's eastern limb, Mare Oriento looks like a giant bullseye carved into the surface. It is a massive multi-ring impact basin formed by a colossal asteroid strike. The concentric rings ripple outward, exposing deep layers of the lunar crust. This is one of the best preserved large impact structures in the entire solar system. Visiting Mare Oriental feels like walking through a living diagram of how planets are shaped by catastrophic events. Number 8. Mong's Haegan. This is the tallest mountain on the moon, and it dominates the surrounding landscape. While the moon has no sea level, the sheer rise of Mong's Haegan from the nearby plains is staggering. The rock face towers about 5.5 kilometers straight upward. Standing at the base feels like looking up at a colossal stone wall. From the summit, shadows stretch hundreds of kilometers across the surface, making it one of the most dramatic vertical landscapes beyond Earth. Number 7. The Mare Tranquillitatis Pit. Hidden within the Sea of Tranquility is a massive skylight that drops straight down into darkness. This pit leads into an underground lava tube formed by flowing magma billions of years ago. These caves are incredibly important for the future of lunar living. They offer natural protection from radiation, extreme temperatures, and micrometeorites. Standing at the edge of this pit, you are looking into a place where entire underground cities could one day exist. Number 6. The Aristarchus Plateau. This is the brightest region on the moon and also one of its strangest. The plateau is a volcanic wonderland filled with collapsed lava channels, dramatic elevation changes, and bizarre textures. Baiji's Crateri, the largest sinuous rill on the moon, winds through the terrain in a shrimp-shaped form. The surface here often appears brownish-pink compared to the surrounding gray landscape, giving it an almost alien glow. If the moon had a place that truly felt otherworldly, this would be it. Number 5. Copernicus Crater. Often called the monarch of the moon, Copernicus is massive, complex, and commanding. It spans 93 kilometers across and features terraced walls that resemble giant stadium seating carved into stone. The crater floor is chaotic and beautiful, with multiple central peaks rising from the impact melt. Standing here gives you a front row seat to planetary violence and natural beauty combined. This is geology on a truly epic scale. Number 4. Hadley Rill. Located near the Apollo 15 landing site, Hadley Rill looks like a dried-up river winding through the lunar surface. In reality, it was carved by ancient lava flows long before humans ever existed. The rill snakes along the base of the Apennine Mountains, which tower dramatically above the plain. This location feels almost Earth-like in scale and complexity, and offers one of the best windows into the moon's volcanic past. Number 3. Shackleton Crater at the South Pole. This location is not just scenic, it is strategic. The rim of Shackleton Crater receives near constant sunlight, making it ideal for solar power. While the interior remains permanently shadowed and filled with water ice trapped for billions of years, this unique combination makes it the most likely site for humanity's first permanent lunar base. Visiting Shackleton feels like standing at the edge of the future, where exploration turns into settlement and science turns into survival. Number 2. Torres Litro Valley, a geological wonderland deeper than the Grand Canyon and the final destination for human footsteps in the 20th century. Standing prominently on the valley floor is a piece of history unlike any other. The Apollo 17 flag. This particular banner is 20% larger than those left by previous missions and carries a unique legacy. having hung in mission control in Houston through every preceding Apollo mission before finally making its journey to the lunar surface. Nearby, you'll see the Lunar Module Challenger and the Lunar Roving Vehicle, which carried Commander Gene Cernan and geologist Harrison Schmitt across a record-breaking 22 miles of terrain. This site isn't just a monument to the end of an era. It's a scientific goldmine where astronauts discovered legendary orange volcanic soil and collected 243 pounds of lunar history. Though the sun has likely bleached the flag's vibrant colors to a ghostly white, it remains a silent sentinel at the easternmost landing site, marking the threshold where humanity last bid farewell to the moon. Number 1. The Apollo 11 landing site, also known as Tranquility Base. This is the old town of the moon, the birthplace of human space exploration beyond Earth. When you arrive here, the first thing you notice is how untouched everything feels. The descent stage of the Eagle lander is still sitting exactly where it was left in 1969. Neil Armstrong's and Buzz Aldrin's boot prints remain pressed into the dust because there is no wind to erase them. Standing here feels like stepping into a frozen moment in time, a monument to curiosity, courage, and human ingenuity. It is quiet, powerful, and deeply emotional. The moon is not just a barren rock in the sky. It is a world filled with history, mystery, and potential, from humanity's first footsteps to the future of off-world living. These 10 locations tell the story of where we have been and where we are going. When lunar tourism begins, this list will be the guidebook. Until then, keep looking up, because the moon is closer than it has ever been. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. And remember to always look up and never give up on your dreams.